To speed up the workflow in any application, it is always beneficial to use keyboard shortcuts. So over here, for example, if I were to go around and type something and select and press Ctrl B, then I can bold around my text right here that I selected. If you want to know how you can work around with keyboard shortcuts, you can click on the three dot button right here, and then here you can see keyboard shortcuts is an option. So once you go around over here, these are all the keyboard shortcuts that you can use, as you can see right here. For example, you can open up the first app on the app bar by pressing Ctrl 1 right here. For go to, it's Ctrl Z. For show commands, it's Ctrl/ right here, and so forth, as you can see. So Ctrl E is go to search right here. So if I were to press Ctrl E, then you can see that it actually goes around onto the search just like this. And by using these shortcut commands, you can increase your efficiency of working with Microsoft Teams and then speed up your workflow. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.